Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our English learning class. My name is Professor Stephen Greenblatt, and today we are going to learn something very easy, very important, and very useful in daily life. Our topic is English numbers from 1 to 100 made easy. Numbers are everywhere in our life. We use numbers when we tell our age, when we talk about money, time, dates, phone numbers, prices, and counting things. So learning English numbers is a basic and powerful skill. First, we will start with numbers from 1 to 10. Please listen carefully and repeat after me slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the most common numbers. We use them every day, so practice them again and again. Now let's move to numbers from 11 to 20. These numbers are a little different, so focus carefully. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember one important thing. From 13 to 19, all numbers end with teen. This is a very easy rule to remember. Now we will learn tens numbers. These numbers are very important for speaking correct English. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
It is 40, not 40. It is 50, not 50. These small things make your English correct and professional. Now let's learn how to make numbers between 21 and 99. This is very easy. We say the tens number first, then the single number. For example, 21, 22, 23, 34, 45, 56, 67, 78, 89, 99. Always remember, there is a small gap or hyphen between the two words when we speak clearly. Now, let's practice with daily life examples. I am 25 years old. The price is 50 rupees. My class starts at 9 o'clock. There are 30 students in the room. My phone battery is 80%. See, numbers help us speak real English. Now, I will give you a simple practice method. Count slowly every day. 1 to 10 in the morning, 11 to 20 in the afternoon, 20 to 100 at night. Speak loudly, clearly, and with confidence. Do not feel shy. Mistakes are part of learning. If you practice English numbers daily, your speaking, listening, and confidence will improve very fast. So, dear students, this was our lesson, English numbers 1 to 100 made easy. Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson.
I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and useful English lessons. Your support really motivates us to create more quality content for you.